Welcome back. We'll keep the rain gear handy. Soaking rains and some embedded thunderstorms in the mix over the next 48 hours minimally. And we're going to have more rain chances beyond that. But we're in a little bit of a monsoonal flow. Not looking at severe weather nor damaging winds or hail. It's going to be just plain old rain and the threat of localized flooding. So let's take a look at the big picture here as we can term this a monsoonal flow. Kind of remember a pattern like this leading up to the big August event of 2016, but I don't see that happening. But kind of a upper level trough that's sitting to the west of us, and we have a continuous flow, that upper level low and upper level trough capturing some Pacific moisture, and then we have Gulf moisture, and this trough has not moved a whole lot. We've seen little disturbances riding on through, but that's why we've had such a wet pattern, and this pattern is going to continue through Thursday. Hopefully by Friday we see a little bit of a change in the MO of the shower and thunderstorm activity, where we see a little bit more sun in the morning and then scattered activity in the afternoon. This type of pattern, we're seeing our highest rain chances late night morning hours and then tailing off in the afternoon evening hours and then resetting and doing it all over again during the nighttime hours. We're still seeing some active showers and some thunder showers regionally and locally in Louisiana. Heaviest action over towards southwest Louisiana. Here's a 6-hour loop, and we've had on and off showers going on, and as we dial into Power Doppler 3 over the last hour, you can see the shower activity coming down pretty hard across portions of Calcasieu Parish from the Lake Charles area on northward towards, say, the Gillis area and then over toward Kinder. Showers for our friends up in Avoyelles Parish, Marksville down to Bunkie. Most of that activity that was in Evangeline is moving on out, but we see a few spotty showers there and spotty rain shower activity western portions of Lafayette Parish, mostly light to moderate rains here. A few heavier downpours down toward Intracoastal City and some shower activity moving through the New Iberia area in Iberia Parish at this hour. So things already cooking pretty good given the time of the night, and it's only going to increase as what we see is aloft. We get some cooling, and that helps destabilize the atmosphere in this pattern. We see all this deep tropical moisture through tomorrow and Thursday. By Friday, we're hoping the moisture gets a little bit more fractured. We might have a little African dust in the area, and that could squelch or sit down on some of the rain chances. But at least through Sunday, a pretty good chance of afternoon storms. And then we move into Wednesday, Thursday of next week. It looks like we'll see that moisture dissipating, but notice the Euro picking up on a tropical wave, and that tropical wave is over by Africa, trying to develop it, but we'll have to wait and see. That's a little early, just one model run. Don't see any support from the GFS model. And right now, the tropics are looking good. Couple of waves down here in the intertropical convergence zone. They won't develop. That's right at the equator. And then we go over to Africa. We check out the monsoon, and things look like they're lining up a little bit more coming off the African coast. So with time, we're going to be talking more about the tropics, but I think we still have another 10 to 20 days of not having to talk about it. But in the near term, we're talking about rain and some embedded thunder during the course of the morning hours. Here we are at 10 o'clock in the morning. Here it is at noon, so plan an indoor lunch. And then for the afternoon hours, maybe a little bit of a break, and then more shower activity like tonight during the evening hours. Reset as we head into Thursday, a stormy Thursday morning, and then activity scattered into the afternoon hours, toning down, we think, into Thursday evening. As for rain totals, the HER model's been on it. This is just through tomorrow. About 1 inch to 3 inches possible. Isolated areas a little bit more. Then we add the rainfall on Thursday. So this is a 48-hour rain total, and most of us see anywhere between 1 to 4. And then you see the higher totals as we get over toward southwest Louisiana, areas of 5, 6, 7, 8 inches of rain. And the graph model doing much the same. Again, no one model is going to nail your location, but you can see from Lafayette on westward, southwest Louisiana, upper Texas coast, the threat of very heavy rainfall over the next couple of days. Hopefully it all does not come at once, and that is the main key when we have a flooding situation. So we'll watch for that. Showers and storms redeveloping after midnight. Now, mind you, we have no flood watches going right now, but that may change in the next 24 hours. We'll keep rain chance 60, 70%. I want to bring it up to 70% based on the data we're seeing. And tomorrow, on and off rain, some embedded storms, locally heavy downpours, and several rounds up to 2 to 4 inches will be possible just tomorrow, and then up to 6 inches in spots through Thursday. Friday into the weekend, activity a little bit more scattered in nature, but you see those rain chances still elevated until about the middle part of next week, when the normal summer pattern should return. That's it for weather for now. We'll have more later on.